believe in living life to the full, seeing the world. These experiences are what truly matter. If you sleep well, you experience more. Our goal is to prepare you for whatever adventure life throws at you. Be up for the moment. Sleep well. Dream big.
Introducing the Dr. Save Vacuum Travel Kit. It comes with the handheld vacuum and 4 bags, 2 large and 2 small. To start saving space now, open the top of the handheld vacuum and install 3 AA batteries. Pack as many clothes, blankets, or soft goods as will comfortably fit in one of the vacuum bags. Seal the top using the provided plastic bag sealer. Place the handheld vacuum on top of the nozzle, press the button on the top to activate, and wait as all the air is sucked out of the vacuum travel bag. When all the air has been removed, press the button again to stop the vacuum sealer and replace the cap. The bag's now ready to be thrown into any suitcase or placed into long-term storage. If you are traveling with it, make sure you throw the handheld vacuum sealer into your bag for the trip home.
Have you seen how our parents brush our teeth? Can you imagine doing the same with them? It's a dreadful experience for both us and for them. It's inhumane!
Max.
I'm sorry. Now I'll focus only on dogs.
Introducing Bristly, the revolutionary brushing stick for dogs. It has paw pads, cleverly designed for easy holding. With a toothpaste reservoir and bristle-lined grooves, Bristly perfectly matches a dog's behavior and anatomy.
Hey, I'm Petros, the inventor of Bristly. When I lost my childhood dog Mickey due to oral disease, it was devastating. But that inspired me to come up with a solution to this crucial problem. As brushing remains the gold standard to oral disease prevention, I developed Bristly as a brushing stick to allow all dogs to take care of their own oral health.
The bristles help to clean teeth down to the gum line, preventing plaque and tartar buildup.
In the last 6 months, over 50,000 pet parents have tried our first version and they loved it. Their feedback has helped us come up with a version that's best suited to dogs' needs. Please back our campaign and help us empower all dogs to brush.
Soon, Monica will have more Instagram followers than Kim and LeBron. Harry spends more time on his hobbies.
There's a dog in the house.
Now everybody wants to hang out with Tina. And Max, he became a real heartthrob. Back our campaign to keep your dog healthy.